going on, guys? I know it's been a while since you've seen me. Yeah, I have nothing to say other than I've just been busy with like work and school. But yeah, the FD is running. I actually just picked up a new ECU for it today. I'll show you guys. It's probably gonna be the title of the video. It's probably gonna be a multi-day thing, so I just got out of school. It's kind of late. But yeah, this intercooler hose popped off today. I just put it back on. I don't know if it'll hold boost. I think it ripped at the bottom. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this one keeps popping off, and I don't know if I have to get a new pipe made here, but it's kind of short, so I don't know if I have it completely covered now, but I guess we'll find out, right? Here's the ECU. It's not a Sylvan. This is just a box that was given to me by the local rotary owner, but yeah, it's not the fabric of clear skin. Like I said, it's just a box. It is an Adaptronic. It's the standalone. I believe it's the M120. Oh, EMOD 11. Yeah, here are the tuning cables for it. So yeah, the only issue is right now, I can load a base map on it, but I need my laptop actually fried recently. So yeah, for this I can actually use modern software, unlike the Power FC that I have right now. I can use a modern laptop, modern what's it called? A modern Adaptronic program. This is made in 2017, so it can run on Windows 10. The Power FC I have right now runs on like Windows Vista. I don't even like Windows 90. I don't know. It was like the first Windows from like the 90s. Really old. I don't have that computer, obviously, because I mean, why would you have that computer unless you're tuning a Power FC? So yeah, getting this new modern ECU is really nice. I'm probably gonna load a base map on, but I'm also kind of scared because I know I can't push it on the base map. So I'll probably just be putting around, kind of test out the ECU, see if it works. But first I gotta get a laptop. Probably gonna get one this weekend because I need it for school anyways, and then I can also use it to tune my car. What's going on, guys? It is like 8 in the morning right now. I have to go in the Prius to get another hose clamp because I blew another hose clamp, even though I bought like decent ones from AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatever. I know you guys are probably thinking like, if you bought it from O'Reilly's, it's probably poo-poo. But actually it was holding up. The old ones blew. The I don't even know. They're like pretty good couplers or like clamps, but they keep blowing. So I'm gonna get this one from O'Reilly's. I'm gonna get a couple from O'Reilly's because they're $2. And I'm gonna see how they work, because I gotta go to this meet with Griffin this morning, so I gotta fix my car. Hey guys, shout out to O'Reilly's. We just picked up these are the hose clamps. I don't know if you could see them, but they're not bad. I mean, okay, I don't think that they're bad. People say that they're bad, but you know, if it holds boost, it holds boost. If it's $2, it's $2. I'll get real ones off Amazon or whatever, like Mishimoto, for like $7 each. But until then, these will work, okay? These will work. So this is the replaced one. This is the one that I bought from AutoZone. And this is the, look at that. It's so bad. It's just destroyed. So I have to undo that one now. Alright, so we finally got the couplers on. They're not exactly on straight, but I hope that they hold boost at least and they're tightened down enough. But yeah, I guess we're about to find out. On the drive, because we're going on a drive, I am going to bring an extra ring and a wrench just in case I blow another one. But just for reference, these are the two I blew the other day. This one didn't fit. But yeah, this one, they're like good quality. I don't know what brand they are, but they blew up. Also, this is my P28 ECU for my Integra. If anyone was wondering, it's not for the RX-7. I have an Adaptronic. I would not put a variable ECU in my FD. Hey guys, as you watch this time lapse of me washing my car, I just want to let you know I did burn out. It's really tough to, you know, film every day as well as go to school and work. Like, I'm working like 30 to 35 hours a week. On top of that, I'm taking 4 classes. So I know the content's been lacking, but hopefully I'll catch a break and I can film when I can. But yeah, until then, like, thanks for sticking with me. And this is like just a short little video updating you on what's been going on the past couple weeks. Up to the meet. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. I'm not even parked in a real parking spot, but it doesn't matter. Shit. Shit. Wait, where's your car? Oh, it's right here. Do you do anything to this? Or are you just keeping it stock, right? Yeah. But you have another E36 though, right?
The black one.
Oh yeah, the black one. Okay. Did you sell your E46?
No, I got that.
Bro!
I'm bringing that back.
Stop.
I got too many.
Stop having too many BMWs,
Dude,
bro.
I'm buying another one tomorrow.
Oh really? Oh, so that's the N55, right?
Yeah. There's an N54 right over there.
N54? Where?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's
Dude, so many. Dude, I knew there'd be hella BMW. Is that an aftermarket coil pack?
Coil pack's got a wastegate. Weird, it's got stock intake.
Oh, he's got a TL wastegate. Those are good.
Tile, yeah. And
Tile.
It's got the stock airbox, which is kind of funny.
You think he's running more boost? That's an electronic wastegate, right?
Yeah.
The TL tile.
It's got vacuum.
Oh, it's vacuum. Oh. Stock air.
What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for watching the video. I know
It's
I've
on
been
spring?
on content, like I said, I've been
It's on
working,
spring?
but that work is paid off. I'm
Okay.
getting paid decently now.
I always wanted one of these. These are really nice. I love the E92s.
And now I have money to.
Oh, it's manual too, dude. That's worth a lot.
Doing the single turbo.
Dude, it's a
swap.
manual, dude.
I don't know when it'll be done,
Yeah.
but hopefully within the next week
Yeah,
or two
dude.
or three.
The manuals are
There's no major
super
issues.
rare.
But
At least in my
it's a big
opinion.
thing, so I'll probably update you
opinion.
guys when that swap.
Dang, man.
Until
It's
then,
nice.
see y'all in the next video.
How many miles does it have on it?
Just over 80.
Wow, that's really low. You haven't had to replace the wastegate.
Replaced the engine.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I
Oh,
got
wow.
it from a guy. He ended up, he was basically like, he was hiding the rod nut with like a super thick oil.
Oh, that's shady, bro. That's really
No,
fucking
I
shady.
sorry. It's got a new motor in it. Not new, but like.
I was
new
joking
to the
about
car.
it.
No, dude, that's like the shadiest of the shade.
sucks.
That's actually.
Shady.
You should have sued his ass.
I did.
Oh, you did? Good.
I got like 7 grand back.
Okay,
Was
because
it a dealer or just a dude?
the dude, but you didn't sign a paper, right, saying buying as is.
Yeah.
Good, yeah, because then you can. That's super messed up.
But yeah, so I new motor as of like March.
How to have rod liability?
Oh, dude, this is nice, man.
Yeah.
It's super nice. I've never seen like a full bolt-on WX like this. This is nuts.
I didn't think it would be like the only WX here too. I was like very common
Nah.
car, like super cheap. Like I would expect at least like.
There was one guy last year when we were here that had a WX, but he sold it for Miata.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I don't know. I mean, Miatas are cool and all, but I personally I'd want a WX. I would buy one, man, like for a daily and to like as a good like car to like just drive around fast and stuff like that, bro. You know, the FD, like these small cars aren't practical, bro. Like
Yeah.
like having back seats, like
That's probably the best thing is having back.
wow, you're tinted. You're really tinted too. Holy
This is
cow.
like 35.
Yeah. No, that was the quote unquote legal. Now it's like illegal to tint or some shit like that.
I drive with my windows down anyway.
It doesn't matter, yeah. Just be careful, man. Like I got pulled over for 35% tint on my other car, and like it's just not good. So yeah, just roll with the windows down when we're on 9 for sure.
Well, no, I always like no matter where I am, like windows are like down unless it's like cold. And
Yeah.
the last time it was cold here. So.
No, definitely. Holy cow. This is a pretty engine bay, bro. That's nice.
Dude, it had this ugly ass engine cover that was.
Yeah,
at this point.
I hate engine covers. I'm just like, dude, just take it off, man.
This pisses me off too. I do not like plastic intake manifolds. I try
Yeah.
to like do my best to get rid of all the plastic, but
Yeah.
they only make reversed intake manifolds, so I would have to change my top mount to a front mount.
Oh, okay.
Get custom welding to fit up in the back, and at that point, like I'm not going under the radar for anything.
Yeah, dude, this is nice, bro. What year is it?
2020.
2020. Oh, it's a new one.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's like a new
damn,
one.
man.
I made a lot of money off GameStop, so this is
Oh, for real?
this is it.
This is it? Oh, you GameStop, bro? Hey, hey, you rode the wave. That's I'd be spending my money on this too if I knew, man. Shit.
Yeah, I know. Speed limit today.
What is that,
911.
dude?
I'm getting one.
Huh? Really?
Not
Actually?
soon.
Oh.
That's like the next thing.
That's the next thing. Shit.
Dean always being late. Dean's hungover and asleep right now. For sure, man.
Dean.
Literally
Shit.
calling Dean, Mr. President.
Mr. President. Wait, you're the president of this unaffiliated. This video is gonna be unaffiliated
Right.
with SCU Motorsports.
Okay.
We're just gonna.
We don't condone.
We don't condone anything that happens in this video. It's not affiliated with the school or anything like
Look at that
that.
L400.
It's not-
Slammed L400. Wait for it.
Sell your Mazda.
I mean,
Very nice.
I follow on YouTube.
Oh, really? Oh, thanks, man. Thank you, thank you.
Not the Mazda.
I haven't posted in a minute because I've been in school and work, but like, I'm gonna be posting today, so finally have a day where I can make some shit. Damn. Old racing. Wait, Nanking makes racing tires now? Whoa.
oh yeah, see, that's
Yeah, I didn't know that. Shit, man. Did I straight trade for this? Damn. This is nice though. Medallion. Oh. Rays. Damn. It's got Volt C28s on them. It's nice, man. Look at this 944, man. This thing's nice.
I don't know how to get them to stay up without having like partially like
Damn. That's back seats too. Damn. This thing's nice, man.
Honestly, yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Get this thing shining up.
Yeah. It's got the target top too.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah, the rims are definitely dipped.
Oh yeah, no, 100%. My bumper's dipped too, so I'm not judging. But you know, still nice.
it's not easy to like.
Shit. The interior's nice on it too.
If you want to sit in it, like go for it.
Oh, for real?
Really don't care. Yeah.
Thanks, man. Shit.
So, how much you got it? Starting.
Oh. Whoa, holy cow. Dude, this thing's nice. Dang, man.
Pay your old car registration or you pay Porsche registration?
It's not that much.
Thing's really, I love it. I love it,
I
man.
like your car.
Straight trade, man? No, I'm just kidding. Oh.
Where's the clutch?
Look at all these. Look at the gang, man. What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for watching the video. I know I've been lacking on content, like I said. I've been working, but that work has paid off. I'm getting paid decently now since I work my way up at the place. And now I have money to, I'm sending my car off to the mechanic Saturday. It's going to be doing the single turbo swap. I don't know when it'll be done, but hopefully within the next like week or 2 or 3. There's no major issues, but you know, it's a big thing. So I'll probably update you guys when that swap's done. But
Smoking
until
gas,
then,
living
see y'all
fast,
in the
wearing
next
velvet. Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money going around, I'm not selfish. And the ladies love me, Elvis. Smoking gas, living fast, wearing velvet. Can you take a 4 or 5 to the